What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications here on your Apple Watch. Let's say that you're tired of getting notifications or bips on your Apple Watch. Do not worry, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that here in this video. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the channel. It really helps me out. So in order to turn off notifications on your Apple Watch, you can actually open up the Watch app here on your iPhone device. In my case, it's right here. Okay, of course you do have the Watch app in case you are having an Apple Watch, because it's the main app from where you're gonna sync to your Apple Watch. Next up, you can tap here on notifications and simply turn this off. You can simply turn this off as well as this, and you're good to go. Notifications have been turned off on your device. Alternatively, if you're not satisfied with these two settings, you can simply close, open up settings, and then scroll down all the way to notifications in here. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to the letter W and tap on Watch. We do have Watch in here. Next up, you can turn this off, and this will also disable notifications here on your device. Now, next thing is, in case you simply want to silence it, you can put your Apple Watch in silent mode. For example, let me quickly show it to you how it works. Let me type in my passcode in here real quick. You can simply hop into settings. There we go. And then notifications, you also have those features. If you want to disable notifications, you can disable, but you do have in here, for example, if I go back and then I close this and I bring up the control center here, you do have silent button in here. So you can tap in here to silent or to get vibrations if you wish to get vibrations. Okay, so you can also turn on do not disturb, and this will not actually let you get any notification. You can turn it on permanently for an hour or while driving or until tomorrow morning. For example, I'm going to tap on until tomorrow morning and you're good to go. No notifications will be sent to your Apple Watch. So this is how you can have multiple ways on how you can disable notifications on your Apple Watch. This was it for today, guys. I hope you found my video useful, and if you found my content with some value, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.